In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a landing page using Systeme.io. Now, all you have to do is simply hit on the link in the description. It should take you to a page like this one. All you have to do is simply hit on get started. You get 2000 contacts and you can send unlimited emails, create sales funnels. It actually allows you to have your own website with a lot of marketing tools integrated into one. So hit on get started for free right here. You can also check out other plans if you have larger email lists and you want to switch to Systeme.io. Now, ConvertKit also has a free plan that you get up to 1,000 subscribers. It's free for up to 1,000 subscribers, but the downside to ConvertKit is that they don't allow you to create your own customized landing pages, and this is why we're going to be using Systeme.io to create our landing pages, and I'll show you how easy it is to create your landing page. Once you hit on get started for free, enter your email address. You should see a thank you email like this one. Check your email address or your blog email address, whatever you have, then click on the link in your email and you should be taken straight to your dashboard, which should look like this. Now if you're getting started now, it will look like this. Now in the menu right here, you should see an option that says funnels. Hit on that. It should take you to a page that looks like this. Now all you have to do is simply hit on create. It should bring a pop-up menu like this. On this page, all you have to do is simply to select the build your audience option right here. Now for the sell option, if you have an ebook or a course, this is the option for you. Now if you want to create your custom funnel from scratch and customize how it looks like, the custom option is for you. Or if you have a webinar and you want to collect leads and sell them your course or a high ticket program, this is the option for you. Now since we are just getting started, all we have to do is very simple. Simply have to select build an audience here. It will allow you to collect email addresses and build your email list. Hit on that. You can choose your option here, but it doesn't matter. So we're gonna hit on create. Ensure that you give it a name. So I'll go with this one right here. You can hit on preview to see how it looks like. Open it up in a minute. So we hit on create right here and it's creating our funnel. Now they have a bunch of options you can start with. The options they have available can differ depending on your needs. So for this example, so I'll go with this one right here. You can hit on preview to see how it looks like. To open it up in a new tab, this is how it will look like. Now with free accounts, you should see the Systeme.io banner or sticker right here at the bottom. Now the URL to this page is this URL right here. You simply hit on copy right. So you hit on copy here, it's gonna copy it to your clipboard. So that's how the URL is accessed to your Squeeze. Now here are the settings. You can customize these depending on how you want your landing page to feel. Now what funnel step does is that it will take you to the landing page right here, so you can view it again. Then here allows you to edit the page, and this one here allows you to change the template. So you can go back and choose another template by hitting on this option right here. So we want to edit the page, so we can hit on the edit icon. Now to save you time, I went ahead and edited the heading right here by simply highlighting everything and hitting the backspace button and typed in the heading that you can see right here. So learn the 2 steps to creating a successful hair design business. Now this is a very good headline because it shows that there are only 2 steps they need to know to create a successful hair design business. Now I added another subheadline. What are you waiting for? Join the free training right now. Now the landing page you're going to be creating is a unique one because I'll show you why these landing pages work very, very well. Now we don't have any form right here and I will explain as to why. So as you can see here, we can add an image option right here, and these are the elements. You can add different blocks by hitting on the blocks section right here. So we're gonna exit out of that since we're not gonna be using it at the moment. We're gonna drag in the image option right here. Now the downside to Systeme.io is that it doesn't integrate with some of the free stock footage sites. So right now if I hit on this image icon, you can see that you can only upload an image from your PC. For this case, we're gonna leave it as a placeholder since I didn't have an image prepared before the video, but you can add different carousels, you can add columns, you can add rows, you can add a form. Now let's move on to the button. So Once they read the title and read the subheadline, then they hit on the button. We want to show them a pop-up, but before we show them the pop-up, we need to create the pop-up. Now you hit on pop-ups right here, then hit on add a pop-up. This is gonna drag the pop-up in here. Then we can change the title of the pop-up. And we want to send it to phone, but you want to open the URL. Let's send it to another step. If you are running them through, if you want to send more products to them, we can send them the download file. Now what that does is you have to upload the download file. Join the free training now. So here is where they will enter their email address, and you can add more forms if you want. You can add in the first name, but the more forms they have to fill, that's gonna lower your conversion rates. So I usually just go with the email. It's enough. I just like this statement. I leave it. Then change the pop-up settings by hitting on edit pop-up settings. You can show close button, so you can, if you show it on here, it will show appear the X so that they can close out the pop-up. I encourage you leave it at that. On the button, hit on the settings gear icon right here. This one here allows you to duplicate the button once again. So I'm gonna delete one. Hit on OK. Don't need the second one. Hit on the gear icon. Right here, you have an option. You don't want to open another pop-up. You don't want to send them to another form. You want to open a URL. You can send them to another step if you are running them through a funnel to sell more products to them, or you can send them to the download file. Now, what that does is you have to upload your download file right here, but with the URL option, or open URL here, you paste the URL in here, ensure it opens in a new window. Once they hit the button, we need to go to the settings of the button by hitting on the gear icon right here. So we go to settings. So if they hit the button, show the pop-up right here, and we select the pop-up as number 2 right here, which we created. Now of course you need to give your pop-up a name so that you can find it in here easily. So for this case, I didn't give it a name, but I know it's pop-up number 2. So that's how easy it is to create the pop-up. And once again, you already saved the changes. Now, on the next step, we have a bunch of options. You can choose to create a thank you page, but since we created the URL option and you added your URL, you may not need the thank you page. But if you don't have the URL, then you should think about creating the thank you page. All you do is you select a landing page, keep it simple like this. These two are always great. Any more of your text, people will not be interested. So you can choose this congratulations one. It looks good. Change the background up. So if we hit preview, this is how it will look like. Thank you. And this button should take them straight to the training, or the video training should appear here right away. Give them what they came for immediately. If you want to create another step, you simply hit on create step right here. This should add another step in your funnel. You give the step a name. You choose step type by selecting the drop down menu. It can be an upsell, a downsell, webinar registration, so much more. Play around with the settings and see how you come out with your landing page. Now the automation rules, this is where you go to create automations and that other cool stuff. You can do A/B split testing if you want. Now for this case, I'm gonna ignore all that since it's not the purpose of this video. You can look at the stats of your landing page, conversion rates, and the number of people who have seen this landing page. You can all see there the sales, deadline settings, the leads you have collected from this landing page will be appearing in here. This video was basically to give you an idea of how to create a landing page. You can get a free account using the links in the description, and you can check out all those other resources I have there down for you.